AI versus ML versus DL. What's the difference? AI, ML, deep learning. People use these words like they are the same. They are not. Watch till the end, you will never get confused again. AI, artificial intelligence, big idea, machines that act like humans, think, reason, solve. Let's take one example, Siri answering your questions. Number two, ML, machine learning, a subset of AI. Machines learn from data without being told what to do. Let's take one example. Netflix suggestions what to watch. Number three, deep learning, a subset of ML. Use brain inspired networks to learn from huge data. Let's take one example. Self-driving cars recognizing people, signs and roads. Now you know the difference. Like a pro. Next, let's set up Python to build your first machine learning project. Hit like and subscribe.